Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should begin by verifying prerequisites: GPU, free disk space, and an original backup. Next, open the image and create a precise mask over the region you want to change. Feather the mask 120 pixels to blend. Once done, pick a generative fill model and set the strength between 0, 1 and 1. 0, optionally locking a seed. Now run a preview pass so you can inspect composition, lighting, and scale before committing to full generation. You'll iterate, create a new layer for each attempt so you can compare versions and non-destructively edit. Use reference images to guide texture and color matching, blending them at 50–80% opacity to test fit. Then tweak advanced settings, guidance scale, sampling steps, temperature, and the sampler type, and run another pass. Make targeted small masks and run local fills rather than global re-renders. This preserves surrounding detail. Keep reviewing at 100% zoom. Finish by merging approved layers into a final file, but keep a preserved version with separate layers for future tweaks. Do final touch-ups with clone and healing tools, then apply subtle contrast and color grading to unify the result. Export a high-res master TIFF or PNG and a compressed JPG for delivery. Make sure to save project metadata: model, seed, temperature, and key settings. Troubleshooting tip: if fill looks inconsistent, reduce mask feathering, lower strength, and rerun a small local pass to correct edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.